Each day is an opportunity. This is your moment. Dig hard and you will find the right answer. You are the only person with your exact blend of talents and skills. The secret of joy in work is contained in one word: excellence. Each day is an opportunity. This is your moment. Always be the first motivation. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on whatever time it is you are listening to me. My name is Ebo the Inspirationist, and this morning I want to inspire you. But before I inspire you, I want us to take a moment and thank God for His goodness, for His loving kindness, for His mercy and protection upon our lives. We bless His name evermore without end for His goodness. Well, today I want to talk to you about how can we make it better. How can we make it better? Maybe we are in the ministry, maybe we want to sing, we want to act, we want to be in the music industry, whatever it is. We want to be good writers in terms of script writing, in terms of movie writing, and all of you. You want to be a good pastor, you want to be a good inspirational speaker, a good writer, a good author. You want to be one of the recognized people in our world today. And you don't know how to make it better with your life. Probably you may have started. The good news will be you may have started doing something very little in your comfort zone. That is perfect. That is good. That is good. And if you don't have anything doing, you can also find purpose for your life. You can also pursue whatever you want to pursue. But the good news is that God created each one for someone. God created each one for someone. And so you would notice that before God will bless someone, He uses another person. God would not come from heaven and bless you. He will use another person to be a blessing to you. And it doesn't mean we should give the praise and all the recognition to the person who helped us. That is why we are not to worship anyone who helps us in life. But we are to be grateful of the work they've done in our life. And we are most thankful to God because He orchestrated that path. He was the one who connected us to that destiny helper. Here is the key. If you want to become whatever you want to become in life, find purpose for your life, something positive, do something positive with your life, I will recommend that you look at the people who are in your field. So if you want to be a public speaker, you look at people who speak. You identify what you have in common. If you just joined in, I'm talking about how to make it better. How to make it better. And so I believe without any shadow of doubt that when you identify the right person who you share values with, you will easily learn. You will easily learn. And from there, you will get to improve upon yourself. Keep learning. Keep learning. We are all brought on this surface of the earth for a mission. And once we identify these missions, we will be able to carry them. We will be able to make impact in people's life. We will be able to even become better than those we studied from, those we learned from. There is one thing my leader keeps saying, that if you don't become better than he is, then you didn't learn. So we have to always learn and learn. Just imagine the greatest person on this planet in your area of study, in your field, and you will notice that they also learned the way you are doing. They also learned. So keep learning, keep upgrading. That is why the Bible states is clear that we should learn to show thyself approved. Learn to show thyself approved. All I'm invoking in you this morning is have a teaching spirit. Have a teaching spirit. Be ready to listen. Be willing to learn from people. It could be physical. You will be most blessed when you have these people mentor you. When you have people you look up to, physical. When you have people you can speak with, you can talk with, you can discuss everything with. But if you don't have that privilege, you can still learn. You can listen to their audio, buy their books, listen to them, watch their videos on YouTube, wherever you find yourself convenient with their product. You can have a grasp of it and You'll be a blessing. You'll be a blessing. Don't stay where you are. To make it better, you have to move from where you are. What got you here will not get you any further. This is how far you've come in life because of what you may have been through in life, what you may have learned. From this point, you need to upgrade. You need to learn more. You need to improve upon what you've learned so that it can go a bit higher than you are now. Thank you for listening to me. My name is Ebo the Inspirationist, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel as I keep bringing you inspiring messages each week. Stay blessed and have a lovely day.